Yes, sir, man. We leaving from the shop. We got everything back there loaded up, man. I'm telling y'all, it's game time, man. We got to make the best of this stuff, dude. Literally. I can literally leave this stuff until next week, but I know for a fact it's Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. We got the weekend. I got some faith in Antonio, man. He could knock this out. So we about to go take it to him, put it in his face, man, give him our color, and go from there, man. I'm telling y'all, who about to win the silver bullet, man? Cause I'm getting it going and ready for y'all. I hope y'all ready for it. For everybody who done got y'all a spot in this ticket, man. If you got your ticket and you watching this right now, let me know what state you in and let me know where that joint is headed, man. We got the bike and the truck, man. You getting a whole combination, man. I'm telling y'all. You can't go wrong, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what it is, man. Make sure y'all get y'all Red Kicks by Drake caps, man, on the website. Link is in the description below, man. We sliding, though. We about to get to this paint shop, y'all. That look good. Woo. It look good. That's crazy. They got me here covered up. That's crazy. When they got that music playing, they ain't playing. Antonio look good, man. That's crazy. You gotta put the clear on it, huh? That look good. Man, that's crazy. You gonna do the tops and then you gonna do the sides? Yep. Wow, that's a fresh color. And they wanted the original color back, huh? It's like a metallic, huh? That's nice. Oh, brown. Look like a goldish color. That's crazy. It's all one color?
And 2 lines right here.
Oh, 2 lines. So like the pinstripe.
And yep.
That's crazy.
Like that base, little base.
Oh, okay, yep. Yeah, that's dope. You just got this or you been had this? Oh, this the Elco. I forgot, you got the new bumper on there.
Yep.
Yeah, that look good. That's crazy. My dad was telling me about them because I didn't know some of them be fiberglass and some is metal. We got the Dodge. You just got this one?
Next.
Oh, okay, up next. What happened to the Tahoe? The blue one.
Right there outside.
Oh, yeah. I'm tripping. I'm like, damn, you moving fast, Antonio. That's funny. Let me grab these parts out, man. We about to get this wet. Y'all see what's going on, man. We in the home of the drip, man. Y'all better make sure y'all get y'all Red Kicks by Drake caps, man. Have you some nice and wet, equipped and dip, y'all. So we gotta take everything out. We got everything in this joint, man. About to grab it out. Our last piece right here. Yes, sir, man. Everything right here. Inner fairing bag, outer fairing side pieces, rear fender piece, the fender, gauges, cluster. We gotta just get that front fender tomorrow with the other bag and the other lid. So we're gonna be in the game, man. We got everything in here wet up. About to get nice and clean, man. I'm telling y'all. Stay tuned, man. We're getting it going. Dude, this is nice, man. I can imagine that wet color. So look, that's crazy. Let's check it out.
It's easy with a WordPress site.
For Chevrolet, I got a lot of silvers.
A lot of silvers? Yeah, oh, okay, for sure. So I'm trying to do the main color, like the silver, like my truck, and then I want to do like a little inch of some orange and black. Yeah, we gotta figure out what color we about to go. That's crazy. Yeah, these colors look good though. It's Honda, Mitsubishi, Mercedes, Hyundai, Kia. I gotta get in the light so I can see the real. But we gonna have it coming, man. I'm telling y'all, stay tuned, man. We about to go ahead and slide out this joint. Get back to it. Stay tuned for the color, man. I'm telling y'all, we sliding. Yes, sir, man. It's game time, y'all. Look, I'm feeling it. I can't wait. I'm telling y'all, man, I better enter to win this bike. This bike is about to be something nice and proper, I promise y'all. Like, literally, I cannot wait. Y'all about to see, though. It's going to be way different than everything else, I promise y'all. And I'm telling y'all, for 50 bucks to win this truck plus the bike, man, y'all playing. Better get in to win it. Man, I'm telling y'all, playing. I better get in to win this joint. We got the bike and the truck together. One combo, man. Get in to win it because it can really be you next, man. I promise y'all. It can really be you next. But we about to slide and go get my, go get this RV, man. So stay tuned. We about to get it in and have some fun. We sliding though. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here sliding. Today is Friday, man. Today's about to be a great day. Y'all seen yesterday, we literally got everything going on the new 2019 Road Glide. Now, we got the paint to Antonio. We got that on the way. Today, I'm about to literally head to the shop right now and take the metal pieces that I have on hand to the powder coat shop so we can get the things powder coated. The piece is going to be in a powder coat. The paint is getting painted. We got the rims. It's getting made actually this time, in real life. So everything is on the road. That's why I tell y'all, get in to win this bike and this truck, man, because it's going to go fast. We're literally almost out of hats, man. So make sure you get in while you can and make it count today, man. I'm telling y'all, especially while it's on sale today only. Once it's back to 100, it's a wrap, dude. So it's on sale right now for $50, man. All you gotta do is go in the description below, buildbydre.bigcartel, grab you a red Kicks by Dre cap. That cap is gonna enter you into winning the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. Like I said, everything is in motion right now. The paint is at the paint shop. The powder coated piece is about to be in the powder coat shop. The rims is on the way. The bars, everything else is all in the mail. So stay tuned, man. We making it happen, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We're about to make it happen. Yes, sir. We just finally made it to the shop, y'all. You already know what's going on. We left off yesterday from getting this thing completely tore down. We literally had this thing completely damaged, but like I said before, I love to get it in that condition because I know that in the result and what I'm gonna do to it. So everything is super dirty on here. Let me show y'all. Super dirty. You can see all the dirt. I don't even want to get my hands dirty right now, but y'all see. Super filthy. Everywhere. Webs. I can't really see. There we go. Webs, all that good stuff. So instead of me messing with it, my boy is about to come pull up on me and detail it for me. So I'm waiting on him any minute. He going to pulling up. We about to pull it by the door, power wash it, soap it up, just rinse it off to try to get some of this scum and dirt off. So stay tuned for that, man. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up. Y'all gonna see it here first, because this thing is definitely dirty, but we're about to get it right though, man. We're about to get this thing cleaned up. Like I said, we took the paint to Antonio. We gotta just find us another gas tank today, get that to him. But on another note, we're about to go ahead and try to get this whole inner fairing finished up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the doors on with the latches. I gotta wait on the speaker pods and the speakers. And then we're gonna get the exhaust on there with the swing arm. So stay tuned, man. We're about to have this thing somewhat hopefully complete today. But like I said, my boy about to pull up. We're gonna detail the new bike, man. So stay tuned. Like I said before, we're waiting on the legs. Once we get the legs, this thing is gonna be rolling. We're gonna roll it to the frame doctor for like 2-3 days, have him straighten it out. After that, we're gonna get it back and then assemble the paint and everything else, man. We're gonna powder coat all the pieces. Speaking of that, that's what I need to be doing. I gotta get these parts all right here, completely tore apart and powder coated. So we about to get this all buzzed down to the powder coat shop. So stay tuned, man. Y'all about to see what's going on right now. So we just went ahead and took all the powder coated pieces apart. We're about to powder coat all this. Like I said before, I wasn't sure if I was gonna do the color for the frame. I honestly don't care to you. I'm not gonna lie to you if I do it, if I don't. Thing about it, I know if I don't do it, it's gonna go much faster. If I do it, it's gonna take some time, but it's gonna get done. Like I said, I really don't care about how I'm feeling right now, how everything is on the road. If Antonio can get this paint done for me over the weekend and complete that, take the bike to the frame doctor hopefully tomorrow or Monday and get it back before like Wednesday, and take these powder coat pieces. By the time I get back from Tuesday to Thursday from shipping the St. Louis bike, I can literally probably have this whole bike damn near done. So that's the main reason why I'm trying to get everything going and flowing, y'all. Like seriously, because these powder coated pieces is not gonna take that long. So I know for a fact everything is gonna be back on here complete. We got the paint getting done, so it's gonna be game time. It's only a matter of time. That's why I'm telling y'all, get in to win it while y'all can today on sale for 50 bucks, because when it's over, it's over. Literally, you get to win a custom Built by Dre bike, fully done, plus a lifted truck with all the goodies, man. You cannot go wrong. We got all the stuff laid out. I'm waiting on my boy to pull up to help me. Not even help me, he gonna wash the bike for me. I'm gonna have him rinse this off. If he don't come through, I'm gonna just take him to my mom's and rinse him off myself. But we gotta get all this dirt off, man. I can't work like that, big dog. It's a lot of dirt, man. I'm trying to get it cleaned up, but we coming together, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. We making it happen. We're about to get going on this road glide real quick so we can get some of this stuff completed up and on the way, man. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We're getting it in, making it happen, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got some stuff done on this road glide, even though I'm still missing some stuff, and I'll be writing stuff down, but I'll be still falling off track, so I'll be trying to stay on my stuff. But we got some progress. I thought my boy wasn't about to pull up, but he just texted me and said he's almost here, so we got some luck. I just moved it and all. I just knew he wasn't coming, but it's looking good. We're about to get all this dirt knocked off and clean, man. Y'all about to love that. I might go live for y'all to show y'all something, but y'all about to see, man. We got the harness fully on here with everything now complete with the whole headlight looking good. Everything is on there, equipped and dipped. You already know. We got the gauges. Only thing we gotta go buy is the latches and the screws, but we got it coming together, y'all. Sacramento, you almost there, big dog. We're coming together. After this weekend, you should damn near be on the road. So we gonna keep making our progress. But like I said, man, my boy's about to pull up and get us right. So let me finish cleaning everything up, making some space, man, so we can get this thing on the road. Y'all see what it is, man. Make sure I enter to win this thing today on sale, man. Today only. Get in to win it.